Alright, good morning, welcome back. Today back here at the Waikiki Nature Center, and the plan is actually to do the Herd 100 loop at least one time. It's a 20-mile loop, which I can't do the whole thing since the Manoa Fall Trail is still closed. Here is the this is the profile. So it's pretty tough. Let's see how far we're gonna get. It's a beautiful coldish day today for Hawaiian style, so looking forward to that. Okay, let's go shaka. All right, heading up the initial ridgeline. It's pretty steep. Luckily, again, it's only 60 degrees, 16 Celsius is that. That definitely helps. Let's keep going. Aloha. All right, made it to the first intersection. Now, the quickest way would be going up this way. I had to get the 20-mile loop, so we're zigzagging a little bit. So I'm actually heading across the valley from here. Let's go. We're actually going down here for a while, which feels good, but that means we just have to go further up later on. It's okay. Let's go. All right, I made it across. This would be the way back down, regular Waikiki Loop trail. But now we're starting to head up this way towards the Kalahina Trail again. I'm actually glad leaving the Waikiki Loop. It is super busy today, the cool temperature. Everybody's out today. Okay, let's go. So I made it up here to Tautulus Drive. Now here I have to walk on the road for just a few minutes and then onto the Kalahina Trail. Beautiful day. Let's go. All right. For those of you watching my channel a lot, you know this trail is one of my favorites. It's the closest to where I live too. Higher elevation, love it. All right, another one of those intersections. Now going straight ahead would be much quicker, much easier, flat. But again, they had to get 20 miles on one loop. So we're actually heading up here the Manoa Cliff Trail for a little bit. Pretty steep up and then heading back down to where that trail goes here in about 20 minutes. I would go in 20 minutes. Okay, let's go. All right, made it to another intersection. So we just came up here, now we're heading down here. Plan is to head to Manoa Falls. Not sure it's gonna happen or not. And then go down to Nuuanu Valley, come back up, come back here, and then Waikiki Trail, go back down to the starting point a few hours later. Unfortunately, the Aihualama Trail is still shut down for maintenance. It's more than a year now. So no Manoa Falls today. Let's just head down the other way. Let's go. Aloha. Now from here we're heading down the steep Manoa Valley. Heading down there somewhere. Alright, I made it down to Oahu. Now we make a 180 turn and head back up the hill. Let's do it. Aloha. So again, where we just came from, we're heading back up the hill. Fun times. And they do this 5 times. Incredible. All right, I just made it back up the ridge line. I can't believe they did this 5 times. Now from here on it's flat for a while, easy. Back here at the 3-way junction. Now we're approaching 6 hours out here on the trails. Maybe some of you wonder how much liquids I brought with me. Actually, not too much. I came out here yesterday and dropped some off. Another 2 places I dropped a few bottles off, so I don't have to carry so much. Now since the initial trail to Manoa Falls is shut down, I actually have too much. Show you here one of my stacks hidden. Starting to rain a little bit here. Not a big deal. I'll actually like the even better cool down now. Okay, let's keep going. The end is in sight. All right, this is my my last big uphill here, going back to the Manoa Cliff Trail. I'm actually feeling really good, surprisingly. Let's see how that is in another hour or 2. Okay, let's go. All right, I was here a few hours ago. Went down this way, came from here. Now on the way back, we're actually heading up just a little bit more. Normally I try not to eat stuff like this, but today I thought I'd buy one. Alright, finished Manoa Cliff. Now from here easy. Just have to cross the main road. And then that collects to Moleka Trail, and that brings me then down to the Waikiki Loop Trail. Final stretch. Let's go. Almost there. Alright, back at the first intersection this morning we got to 7.5 hours later. So we actually do cross the valley one more time and then down pipes. So the end is in sight. Let's go. Aloha. Last intersection. That's where we went this morning. Now for us, just back down here, the Honolulu Trail, or pipes they call it. And that brings me back to the nature center. Maybe 20 more minutes to go. Let's do it.